At number 1, we have the JBL Tune 700 BT headphones, the wireless cans that truly do it all. Get ready for that signature JBL pure bass. It's punchy, it's powerful, and it's made for music lovers. But the real game changer, an insane 76-hour battery life, plus a 5-minute quick charge gives you 3 hours of playtime. They're lightweight and foldable, making them the perfect travel companion for commuters, students, and anyone on the go. Don't just take our word for it. With over 12,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, customers love the sound comfort and unbeatable value. JBL Tune 720 BT. Great sound, epic battery, ultimate portability. It's the complete package. Tap the link to get yours.
At number 2, we have the BRI's Bluetooth over-ear headphones, a true audiophile's dream. Customize your sound with 6 EQ modes from bass up to classic for the perfect listening experience. And with an unbelievable 65 hours of playtime, your music never has to stop. Designed for all-day comfort, they're incredibly lightweight, so you'll barely feel them on your head. The latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology ensures a faster, more stable connection up to 33 feet away, plus a backup audio cable, multi-device pairing, and hands-free calling. It's all there. With an unbeatable price, a 1-year money-back guarantee, and a 3-year warranty. These are the ultimate value. That's why they're number 2.
At number 3, we have the KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones. Featuring 40mm dual drivers for incredible hi-fi stereo sound that's balanced and dynamic. And with an insane 65 hours of playtime and 2.5-hour quick charging, the music never has to stop. Designed for all-day wear with ultra-comfortable, high-elastic earmuffs. They're lightweight, foldable, and built for life on the go. Plus, the latest Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a quick pair and a more stable connection. And if you run out of battery, just plug in with the included cable. No power, no problem. It's all this for a price that won't break the bank. But wait, there's more. Now get 23% off. Don't miss out. Grab your KVIDIO headphones today.
At number 4, we have the EarFun Kids Headphones, the safe audio solution parents love. With an 85 dB mode for focused learning and a 94 dB mode for travel, their hearing is always protected. Plus, 40mm drivers deliver rich, balanced stereo sound that kids can truly enjoy. Made with CPC-certified non-toxic materials, they're super comfy and built to last through all the wiggles and wobbles. A built-in HD mic makes online classes a breeze, and the sharing jack means the fun is always shared. They fold up easily for school or travel, and the durable braided cord resists tugs and drops. With over 8,900 5-star reviews, they're a hit with families. Get yours now for just 45.11 Z-Waters. That's 17% off.
At number 5, we have the K11 Foldable Stereo headphones. Designed for kids aged 3 and above, they're the perfect audio solution for little ears. With super soft padded cushions and a fully adjustable headband, comfort is guaranteed for all-day wear. The clever foldable design makes them incredibly easy to store and perfect for airplane travel. Plus, the durable tangle-free cord is built to last and works with any 3.5mm audio device. The K11 headphones today, backed by a 24-month warranty. Your kids' comfort and focus are worth it.